Evaluate this integral using Simpsons Rule with 5 ordinates to 3 decimal places. So we're going to work with 5 decimal places to keep sufficient accuracy so that we can round our answer to 3dp. So the first thing to do is to get h. So here h is equal to b minus a over n. Here's b, here's a, so it's pi minus 0. Over the number of intervals, there's 5 ordinates, so there's 4 intervals, so it's pi over 4. Now we've got 5 ordinates, so we've got x0, x1, x3, x4, and the starting point is 0. We increment by the interval is pi over 4. So every interval increases by another pi over 4, and the last one will be pi or 4 pi over 4. So there's the x ordinates. Now we need the y ordinates. And it's root sine of x. Sine 0 is 0, so root 0 is 0. So that's easy to get. The same goes for pi. Sine pi is 0, root 0 is 0. So we only need to get these ones in between. 2 pi over 4 is 1, so sine 1, sine of pi over 2 this is. Sine of pi over 2 is 1, square root of 1 is 1. So we're left with just pi over 4, put that in there. So let's do that then. Sine, we're in radians mode, and it's pi over 4. Pi divided by 4, close bracket. And we want that thing, put a bracket around it all, because we want to square root it all, don't we? And let's do power half. So that would be power 0.5. There we go. 0.84089. It's a 6, so the 89 rounds up to 90. 84090. 84090. Now this value is going to be the same, but let's just tap it in just to be absolutely sure. 3 pi over 4 then. Let's put that in. 3 times. There. And we get the same number, 84090. Okay, so what have we got then? We've got our values, so the integral, according to Simpsons rule, equals h over 3, isn't it? So it's pi over 4 over 3 is pi over 12, times, now it's the first and the last, 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 4 times all the odd are here, so 4 times all the odds, so that would be that one and that one. So that would be times 2 lots of these, won't it? We don't need to just, we can see they're both the same, so we can put 2 times that and 4 times the whole thing, plus, and then it's 2 times the even ones, isn't it? And the even one is here. It's only one even entry, so that's a 1, so that's easy. And then we close the brace, and that's equal to. So it's 2 basically, plus 8 times this number, and then all times pi over 12. So let's tap that in then. So it's 2 plus 8 times 0.84090. That's the bracket, so equals. And then we times it by pi, shift pi, and then divide by 12 now, at the end of it all. 2.285 to 3p dp, 2.285, and that was the 3 decimal places.